See, I've drawn out a little shape here, and this is often used to fill in shapes. So we start with satin stitches. It sounds easier than it is. So it's a good idea to do some guidance lines either with pencil on your fabric, or do them with your first stitches. So for my first stitch, one straight down the middle, and hopefully that's going to keep me straight. Actually, it looks a bit wonky. Hopefully that's going to keep me straight. So satin stitch is a little bit like your straight stitch. It's very close together and it's straight. And the idea is that it's really smooth. It's a real filling in stitch. So it's good for just a normal basic square like this, but you will find it on flower petals. I'm a bit short there. Buildings. And I tell you, it is not my favourite stitch. But it is, I would say, a preferred stitch of a lot of people if you can get it right. And straight, up and down. Until you've filled in the entire space. And you think, oh, that looks easy. Well, let me tell you, it is not as easy as it looks. So now we're going to go over to the other side. And carry on going. What you can do is go on the opposite side of the lines you've drawn, or the edging. There's two different ways of doing it. This will hopefully give you nice straight lines, but you won't see the edging stitch of the square. Careful not to pull it too tight because you don't want to pull it together. This hides the fact that you've given yourself a bit of a line to work to, and the overall effect is probably better. So that is satin stitch. Working within the line and working over the line actually gives you a much smoother finish. But they are both satin stitches.